Hello and welcome back. Today, we're jumping into the wonderful world of meditation, especially for beginners. Meditation is an incredible tool for finding inner peace, reducing stress, and improving overall well-being. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of mindful meditation, step by step, ensuring you get the most out of your practice. Let's get started. 1. Creating a peaceful space. The first step in your meditation journey is to create a calm and peaceful environment. Find a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed, and make it as comfortable as possible. Consider adding some soothing elements like cushions, soft lighting, or calming scents. 2. Comfortable seating. Find a comfortable seated position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a cushion, or even in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. The key is to have a straight spine and relaxed shoulders. Ensure you are comfortable and can do deep breathing. 3. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Take slow, deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and the sensation of your breath filling your lungs. 4. Letting go of thoughts. As you meditate, it's normal for thoughts to pop up. When this happens, gently acknowledge the thought and then let it go. Imagine your thoughts as passing clouds in the sky, without attaching any judgment to them. 5. Guided meditation. If you find it challenging to stay focused, try a guided meditation. There are plenty of apps and online resources that offer guided sessions. These can help lead you through the process and keep your mind centered. I've put a link in the description to some free best-selling audio guided meditations. Check them out. 6. Start small. As a beginner, it's important not to overwhelm yourself. Start with just a few minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Ideally, getting up to minimum 20 minutes a day is good, and increase on occasions as you need them. 7. Consistency. As with most things in life, consistency is key when it comes to meditation. Try to set aside a specific time each day for your meditation practice. As you grow more at ease and gain control over your thoughts, consider embracing meditation in the great outdoors. Allow the harmonious melodies of nature, such as the soothing sounds of rolling waves, to accompany your practice. 8. Patience and self-compassion. Remember, meditation is a journey, and it's okay if your mind wanders or you find it challenging at times. Be patient with yourself and practice self-compassion. Every moment of mindfulness counts. Over time, you'll notice the positive effects of regular meditation on your overall well-being. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps into the world of mindful meditation. This practice has the power to bring you more peace, clarity, and a deeper connection to yourself. Subscribe and like for more tips on enhancing your well-being and living a positive, balanced life. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep meditating and keep thriving.